Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. Aila Re Aila. Have you seen this song on YouTube? Fantastic song, fantastic dance number, foot tapping number. When you watch this song, you will definitely feel like coming out of your chair, coming out of your beds, and just to tap your foots and dance along with the three police officers and their police teams: Surya Vanshi, Akshay Kumar, Singham, Ajay Devgan, and Simba Ranveer Singh. You would definitely want to dance and tap your foot along with these three people, and high volatile, high energy, mad experience is watching this song. Aila Re Aila. Madness personified is this particular song. And very interestingly, what to see is Rohit Shetty has made Ajay Devgan to dance to that particular number when his entry is at the last, at the end of the song. But it is, anyhow, we know Akshay Kumar is mad and Ranveer Singh also can dance madly. But to see Ajay Devgan shake his hips, I have never seen Ajay Devgan shake his hips in such a way, and only Rohit Shetty could have made his Singham do that. Overall, coming to this particular song, it is really fantastic, and this is the original song has been picked from Katta Meeta song, Aila Re Aila. Fantastic song. As I said, the song has been taken from Katta Meeta, old Akshay Kumar movie. Even in that particular song, also Akshay Kumar had danced to the tune of Aila Re Aila. Here only Ranveer Singh is joining him, and also Ajay Devgan is also joining him. I don't know. This song I feel should be presented right at the beginning or beginning part of the movie, or somewhere in the middle, but not at the credit section, boss. If it is presented at the credit section right at the end of the movie, probably people will be waiting to rush out of the theaters. And how would you watch this madness? That madness should be watched not by standing and waiting to go out of the theaters to catch your cab or to take out your vehicle, but in fact you should watch this madness by sitting on your chair and tapping your foot. If possible, dance in your soul, dance in your mind, and if possible, if there is space in and around, you can dance in the theater also. Akshay Kumar, baap re baap, this person brings such madness at that particular age. You can't believe Akshay Kumar bringing such intense madness in the song. He is enjoying it. Looks like he goes deep into the character. He always goes deep into the character. Here in the police uniform, he is giving such dance steps. He gives a perfect beginning, perfect start to Aila Re Aila right at the beginning of the dance. See the steps, and you can see all the policemen in and around dancing him with the guns in their hands, and also with the horns in their hands, and some torchlighters in their hands, all dressed in police dresses in front of police station. These people are dancing. Fantastic. This concept can only be given, this madness can only be given by Rohit Shetty. So we know that Rohit Shetty is trying to create the cop universe or cop verse or police verse of his own by this Singham, Simba, Suryavanshi series. I don't know which actors further joined this particular group. It is fantastic concept on the grounds of Marvel Cinemas. So here he is trying to set up the Indian version of Marvel with the police verse Rohit Shetty. It is looking fantastic, and police people are dancing. It looks like a refresher for them after doing all those combat with the criminals and gundas. So first Akshay Kumar dances to the tunes of Aila Re Aila, and then he welcomes Ranveer Singh. He doesn't officially welcome. If you see the song closely, you can see Akshay Kumar receive our Ranveer Singh, Simba Ranveer Singh, who takes the second entry into the song, sitting on a white Jeep police van, what we can consider as hitting the wall and coming inside, and he joins Akshay Kumar. Then how does Akshay Kumar receive or welcome Ranveer Singh? With that typical Khilji steps from Padmavat movie, the signature steps with enormous energy to the tunes of which Ranveer Singh had danced. You can see those steps performed by Akshay Kumar, and that is visual blow moment. Hats off to Akshay Kumar for doing that. And then Ranveer Singh joins the party. He also dances with his fantastic moves, and both are dancing, and then both do the Simba dance from the Suryavanshi dance. The dance go to the Simba dance, the Khilji dance, the Padmavat dance, and also the Tatad moves also can be seen there very closely. And then finally our Suryavanshi and Simba receives the Singham. Rohit Shetty Singham then takes a grand entry into the scene, enter into the party is our Ajay Devgan Singham, and you can see he moving the hips in a fantastic way. I've never seen, as I already said, Ajay Devgan move his hips and dance so enjoyfully. It was a bliss to watch all these three big stars, big iconic stars on the big screen. In fact, in the YouTube itself, we will get to see that on the big screen. When you see it on the big screen, it will be a totally different experience, and it was really fascinating. I really felt happy to see all these three people perform to the song, high volatile, energetic song Aila Re Aila, as I already said, taken from the movie Katta Meeta. The original composition of the song was by Preetham, and here the song has been recreated. The music and lyrics have been recreated by Tanishq Bagchi, and this also looks a fantastic number. And that crystal clear, magnetic, thumping voice of Daler Mehendi, and that adds to the power of the song as well. Finally, you can also see what all three actors, all three characters playing the Singham dance. Singham dance. After Suryanshi and Simba dance, all three perform the Singham dance with that claw, signature claw hand dance. And very important is very interesting in this particular song promo or the song of Ayla is in between the song we are also shown the trailer. Rohit Shetty is a pakka marketer, so he knows how to market his movie. He knows how to promo his movies, how to promote his movies. You can see a lot of stunts, lot of jumping vehicles, fights, shoot sequences, and all three actors performing action sequences and stunts. In between, they are stitched beautifully in between the song. Here, we are also marketed with the theme, the police force, the police universe in between the song. So that was my reaction and review to Ayla Re Ayla to that particular song. Fantastic song, fantastic dance, again a fantastic choreography, and what energy Akshay Kumar brings, and then Ranveer Singh brings, and of course our Singham Ajay Devgan adds to the energy at the end of the dance. Fantastic dance. Just watch it on YouTube and wait to watch this song on the big screen. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.